As a Catholic community, John 23rd is motivated by the Laudato Si goals. This encyclical reminds us that human life is grounded in three fundamental intertwined relationships: with God, with our neighbour and with our planet home. Pope Francis calls on us to develop a loving awareness of this home we share and to act on these values we hold dear. After learning that the imminent clearing of the Nangara pine plantation would remove a vital food source for the West Australian Carnaby black cockatoo, it was decided that a practical way for our college to demonstrate stewardship and help ensure the survival of the beautiful unique species was to undertake a planting program to provide a food source for the Carnabys.
Part of our job as a Catholic school is to show stewardship for the planet and God's creation and to take care of it instead of destroying it. We have a perfect opportunity here to actually do a practical thing, that we show stewardship towards a particular creature, but all other creatures will benefit as well. We have a lot of bird species that come in and will actually benefit from what we're planting.
Year 10 practical science classes, with the help of the Trillion Trees organisation, have learnt how to germinate and grow several native species including Maoris, grass trees, acacias and native peppermint trees.
There's been a number of times in the college where senior students, year 11 and 12 students, have actually mentored primary school students. They've had planting sessions with them, shown them how to plant them, talked about what we're planting and why we're planting. So we've taught the upper school students how to do it, and then they've taught the primary school students. So it fits into that leadership program really well.
Community engagement is a key aspect, involving secondary and primary students, staff and parents in planting and maintenance activities. This fosters a sense of community and shared responsibility for the environment, with secondary students taking on mentoring roles for primary students and parents.
We've had a number of community planting days that we've run on a weekend, and parents and students have been invited to come along and plant. And we've had over 40 people come in at different times, and probably over the course of the planting, close to 200 that have helped us with the planting of the trees, and there's been a real sense of community involvement from the parents and the kids when they come along with their parents to actually get their hands dirty, and teachers have helped out there as well. So it's been great. It has actually involved all aspects of the community.